Yeah, just halfway done with the day. Gotta do some more, go do some more business, take care of some more business. Real quick. And, yeah, this morning, motherfucking, tow truck driver with them bullshit ass plate readers gonna race up on my car just to scan my plates. So I rolled down the window. I told the motherfucker, I say, bruh, I say, don't run up on me trying to scan my plates like, you know, like you looking for my car on the repo list. I was like, shit, who the fuck pays a car note on a Crown Vic? I was like, shit, I don't even want no fucking car note in general, so fuck that shit. Gonna run up on me just to scare my plates, acting like he the fucking police abusing no plate reader. He my bad, bro, do it. No, don't do that shit to me, bro. I ain't motherfucking, you know, I got my motherfucking title. I'd rather save my money than pay a car straight off and tell them run that title than to be paying for a car note. Like, fuck that shit. You know, cause to me, car notes are a big waste of money. They charge you way more for the car, the interest rates, this, that, and the third. By the time you done paying the car off in a few years, the car ain't worth shit. Nah, fuck that. I'd rather just pay the insurance and maintenance and shit like that. That's why I look for older cars. And plus, older cars are better than newer cars anyways. They more reliable. You know, I don't want to pay a car note for a fucking new car that I'm gonna have to take back 5 to 6 times a year for warranty work. And then when it's warranty work, they keep your car way longer. Like, look how the Sonata was. The Sonata was gone for over a month before they even did the work on it. Because of warranty, because the fucking Hyundai themselves was taking too long to do shit. And then when they put another motor in there, they put I believe they put a motor from a Smash Sonata in there, because that motherfucker was still jerking and shit. Take the car back, that car gone like another 3 weeks. You know, so it's just like, and she was paying a car note on it. I'm like, fuck that. Well, why that motherfucker gone now? And she got a car that's paid off. Cashed out on that car. Like, that's just my personal preference. I don't want shit to do with car notes. If a car note is for you, hey, be cool, but I want to throw that cash and run that title. Like, run that title. That way I ain't got to pay nothing every month. Plus, I get tired of paying that shit. I get tired of paying the car note every month. But that's just me, you know. That's why I'm saving for me a Tahoe PPV. I know guys who went and financed them a Tahoe PPV, and they paying way extra for it. That ain't for me. I just want to cash out on it, have that title be good. That way I don't overpay too much on it. You know, when you paying cash, you get a better deal than when you financing. Ain't no deals when financing. Is you gonna go? Cause you had enough time to go. You was pulled up there as I was still back there. You had no time to go. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. God damn, he tore that trail off. Go back to like 520. You'll see and watch. You'll see how he told the roof to get lost on that trailer. But I catch y'all in the next video. Gotta go get these parts off and go take care of this other business. Catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.